All right, everyone, welcome back to the Motor Anatomy. Today we have Jessica. Jessica, thank you so much for making some time for us. So tell us, what do you drive?
I drive a 94 Integra.
94 Acura Integra. Before we get into this amazing build, tell us a little bit about you and how you got started into the whole car modification.
Okay, well, I didn't really get into cars not until I actually purchased my first car.
Oh, okay.
Which was the 92 DA.
Ah.
Yeah.
And when was that, like age-wise?
I was 18.
Oh, okay.
It was about 15 years ago.
Oh my God, you don't have to say that, but you look like you're 16. That's the crazy part. Damn it. Come años, or however you say it. Okay, so why a DA?
That was the only thing I could afford back then.
Ah.
Yeah. It wasn't that I wanted a DA, it's just that it was there.
Okay, so randomly you were just looking Craigslist or?
It was just a random lot that we were.
Oh, okay, so you were just looking,
yeah,
and all of a sudden that was within your budget.
Mm-hmm.
Gotcha. Alrighty, so that one gets stolen. So then what do? You say, let me pick up another old junker, or did you go pick up a new car?
I picked up a DB7.
So you go pick up another junker.
Integra.
Okay.
Yeah, newer.
Newer, okay. And what happened to that one?
That one, I just sold it.
Okay, it wasn't for you. Did you modify it?
No, it was leather seats, and I like it. It was
okay.
Stock.
Did you even modify the first one?
Yeah.
So what got you into modifying cars?
Fast and the Furious.
So Fast and the Furious. No, yeah, that's cool. That's the rest of us. Okay. So Fast and Furious happens. You're like, okay, there's a platform from this car.
I wouldn't say modified. It was more like just like cosmetic looks.
Well, yeah. Well, now you're like super baller. Hey, some of us, you know, we just add little pieces to the outside. All right, relax. Now you're like super baller. We're getting to this car, but you started doing like little mods here like that.
Yeah.
Okay. So maybe like lowering wheels.
Oh, yeah. Sadly, I had a bike rack. No.
Okay. Who cares? Those Integras look good with the back rack. Yeah, I'm telling you. Dang, you were all in the scene. Perfect. So then, what happened to that car? You sold it, and then you pick up
a DB8.
Okay. You have such bad taste. Why do you keep going back to these junkers?
I've only owned Integras.
Okay.
Oh,
so,
yeah.
Until recently, right?
Recently, yeah.
Why the Integra?
I just like them. I just like the chassis and everything.
Okay. So now we fast forward to this one. Where did you pick this one up? How did this come about?
This is actually my first DC.
Okay.
I got it from an auction.
Oh.
Yeah, so registering.
Probably should have stayed there, but I'm just
registering this was actually kind of a hassle.
Oh. Okay.
Going through all that, the process.
So don't recommend getting from auction?
It was worth it. I mean, to me, it was worth it.
Did it have a J front end?
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So bug eye.
It was just super cheap, and it was a running car with AC.
Oh, with AC.
At one point, it had AC, yeah.
Of course, you had to go ruin that, but we'll get into that. Okay. So it had AC. Beautiful car, you pick it up. What was the vision for it?
When I first got it, I did the whole Type R clone.
Oh.
That was my thing. I did everything from interior to wing, the lip. I had the side skirts, and I got tired of that after like a year and a half.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so then you're like, let me switch it up.
Yeah, I wanted something more out of the car, and that's how we started to do this.
To this mess of a beautiful build. Okay. So then once you're done with that, you say, okay, now I want to go, I'm assuming functional, right?
Mm-hmm.
What got you into the whole function, tracking, and all that good stuff?
Tracking, it wasn't that I really wanted to get into tracking.
Mm-hmm.
It was just, it was a Valentine's Day. Just a couple of friends, we had nothing to do, so we ended up going to Adams.
Super normal, right? It's super normal. Yeah, it's Valentine's Day, just go to the track.
And I think just from there, it just started, like, after the first session, like, I really enjoyed, like, just...
So you're a passenger?
No. I was driving, but it was stock, though. It was all completely stock.
Okay, so you've been to the track before prior to that, but that was the first time that you're like, let's just sign up.
Driving, yeah.
Okay, and how was that?
It was fun. I mean, the car needed to work because I was all over the place, but I knew that's the route that I wanted to go.
Ah,
yeah.
Okay. So tell us about that. Was it intimidating going to a track for the first time?
No. I felt comfortable because I had my friends.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That was Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.
Okay. Tell us about the front end. What do we got going on?
We have a JDM ITR front end.
JDM ITR front end. When did you decide, let me do J front end?
Well, when I wanted to go with the whole Type R clone look, that's when I...
Is that something that you wanted from the beginning, that you knew you were going to do regardless?
Once I saw the DC, yeah.
Oh, okay.
I knew I wanted to do the whole clone.
Gotcha. Okay. So you go JDM front end. What else do we have going on?
Since I was doing the whole ITR look, I shaved the moldings.
Ooh.
Yeah.
So car has been resprayed.
Yeah.
Okay. Was the OG paint okay, but you just wanted to respray?
It was white, but since I was doing the whole Type R, I wanted the champ white.
Champ white.
Yeah.
Okay. And so you shaved the moldings. Very clean. I
Yeah.
didn't even notice that. Oh wow. Okay. And then the whole front end, it's just OEM, right?
Yeah.
Nothing,
And
okay.
it even has the Type R lip still.
Nice. Splitter.
Splitter. APR.
APR. Okay.
Mirrors, APR.
APR. Can you see out of those things?
No, they
Okay.
move. They move a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you gotta tighten up. Come on, builders.
We
Builders
do.
nowadays don't tighten up their stuff, but have T37s. Yeah. Blame it on the mirrors. Okay. Cool. And then PCI side skirts as well, making the car look very aggressive. And then the rear bumper, I like what you did with it.
We did the whole cut.
You just decided to cut it.
Airflow.
The airflow. Okay.
Actually, we do want to get into getting the, what is it called, the plexiglass?
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So real race car.
Yeah, just to
You probably will need
some
AC
weight.
though. So then tell us about suspension. What do you got going on?
actually went with S3 suspension.
Oh,
Yeah.
baller after baller. Okay. What other suspension goodies do you have?
Everything is PCI. Toe links, front camber kits, the lower control arms in the front and the back.
Okay.
Everything is pretty much PCI, except in the back I have the ASR sway bar.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice. And then braking system.
I have the Willwoods with the Hawk pads.
Oh. Hence the little squeaky.
Yes.
The race car. Okay.
They do help though.
Yeah, I
So
bet.
I don't mind the squeaking.
I bet. I mean, I'm sure you notice a difference. Okay.
Yeah.
And then 4-lug, beautiful TEs.
Yeah, it's the only thing that I didn't do when I did the whole Type R, the 5-leg. I was
So right now, what are you, 4x100 still?
Yeah.
Okay, so you still buy
Yeah.
4. And then tell us about your wheel and tire setup. I've never seen these wheels.
wheels.
So original. Good job, Jessica. I'm kidding. I'm such a hater. No, it looks good. Tell us about your wheel and tire setup.
I don't know. I just had to think. I would think for TEs. So I mean, you'll see it on Mac Blues. You'll see it on these, the graphite silver.
Like the rest of Southern California, yeah.
Yeah.
The back, it's. I like the modifications you've done. They're subtle, but the car looks extremely aggressive. So, tell us a little about the back. What do you got going on?
Just the J swing,
Okay.
and I have the K tuned.
Ooh. Speak on that. What's your exhaust system?
I have a 3-inch straight pipe with the K tune turned down.
I'm gonna guess it's a little loud, maybe.
You'll be surprised, it's not that loud.
Okay, so when you punch it, you definitely hear it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, Jessica, tell us about the interior. Well, I think there seems to used to be an interior. So tell us about the interior. What do you got going on?
Wall. We got rid of the AC. We got rid of the.
Yeah, think? It'd be funny if you still had the AC. That would be pretty baller. Sorry, go ahead.
No power steering. We got rid of as much as we could.
Wow.
I mean, my sunroof is not functional. That's why it's another reason why I want to get.
You think? Okay. Ah. When did you decide to just go full race car mode?
I don't know. It's just one thing that's another. I just asked my mechanic. I was like, "What do I need? What do I need?"
Shit. Take everything off. Okay, cool. So let's start with the seats. What kind of seats?
It's a Recaro pole position.
Very nicely. Okay. And then the steering wheel.
It's a Momo Monte Carlo.
Do you know the size?
It's a 350.
Oh, 350. Okay. And you like that size?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay.
Yeah.
And then your shifter assembly.
It's a hybrid.
So there has to be like a K swap in there, right? No, He's still laughing.
No.
Okay.
And then
Okay.
my cup holder.
That cup holder.
Yeah.
Where'd you get it from?
Checker Sports.
Checker Sports, right? That's a bigger one, right? Because he has
Yeah.
a smaller one.
Yeah. No, I need my large iced coffees.
Okay. At the track, right? While you're racing? Okay. You're like, what? Okay. So you guys gutted everything.
No airbags, nothing.
Wow. Okay. How comfortable is it? I have to ask. I'm sorry. I have to ask.
It's not. It's very stiff, but I try not to.
Think about it. It's good for you though, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
cool. Battery?
It's the Odyssey. I don't know.
The Odyssey, okay.
Yeah.
And they just replaced it there, okay. Has the car been corner balance?
No, not yet.
Okay, I just figured maybe
Not
you put the
yet.
battery there because it's been corner balanced. They're trying to even out the weight. Okay.
Not yet.
Beautiful X bar in the back.
Thank you.
What is it?
It's the Miracle X bar.
Ooh.
And then the auto power roll bar.
Did the car get resprayed at the same time?
No.
The outside? Because it's so clean. So do you respray it afterwards?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And sorry, what kind of crossbar? Or roll bar?
The auto power?
Okay. Wow. So clean. So nice. Any future plans for the interior?
I know. Oh, well, I do plan on getting the IM cluster.
Okay.
That'll help at the track.
Okay.
Definitely.
But everything else is good.
Yeah.
You like being uncomfortable.
I like being uncomfortable.
Love it.
No AC.
Love it. We
No
love
radio.
it. No radio. Where would the radio go? Okay. When you have a 3-inch exhaust, yeah, you're good. You don't have to worry about the radio. This is beautiful. Ooh. Oh my goodness. All right, Jessica. What are we staring at?
This is the B20V.
Okay. A real B20V.
A real B20V.
Okay,
yeah.
okay. Shout out to Lil Oscar. Okay, so B20V. Let's start from the front. What kind of radiator cooling system do you have?
It's a coil rad.
Okay, and it's a full size.
Then I have the Trace Bay reservoir.
Oh, okay. That's very nice. And then the motor itself, tells us has it been built? Anything's been changed internally?
It just has cams, pistons.
And that's it. See, there you go. You knew it. No, it's stock, but it has cams, pistons.
It's slow. It's slow.
Okay.
Yeah, the catch can.
What kind of brand is that?
AB Fab.
AB Fab. Okay. Oh. And then coil and plug.
We did the ride wire harness.
So clean. Yeah. Transmission.
It's the ITR 4.7 final
Nice. Okay.
with LSD.
Of course, you gotta put it in there. Okay. And so you said the head has been somewhat built. How about the
just cams? Yeah.
Okay, just cams. See,
The block
She
is
doesn't want to say her secrets.
Just
That's
pistons.
right.
Just
Keep all your
pistons,
secrets. Okay.
yeah.
And the block?
Just pistons.
Okay.
Pistons, yeah, the Nippon pistons.
Okay, nice. And then what kind of throttle body?
The Skunk 2.
It's going to.
It's a 70 throttle.
Okay. And then the fuel?
AEM. I can't pronounce that. AEM.
Okay, AEM.
AEM.
And then we're still on pump gas?
No, we're on E85.
Oh, we're on the 85. You
Yeah.
say it was slow. What happened? So it's not that slow.
It's slow.
Okay. So E85, pretty, a little bit bigger throttle body. Transmission, you said stock. Block head, somewhat built, but she won't release all her secrets, which is okay. Any future plans for the car for engine bay?
Engine bay, no, I think we're good with the power it made. We were really happy.
Speaking of that, do you mind sharing, or we're gonna keep all our secrets?
It made 239.
Damn.
Yeah.
239.
For track, this is perfect.
Okay. How have you been? Because obviously you mentioned the first time you went to the track, it was stock. Was that motor stock? Everything was stock.
No, it's always been a B20V. It's just that it didn't have the cams. Surprisingly, they made a big difference.
Okay.
And I was on Neptune. Now we did the Honda. So yeah.
Oh, okay. And so you felt the difference right away.
Right away, yeah.
How are you liking this setup? You mentioned it's good for power, but how are you liking it yourself?
I was able to. Well, I've only done one track with the new tune.
And when was
we
this?
shaved 9 seconds, which was 2 months ago.
What was this? What track?
Bone Willow.
Wow.
Yeah, we shaved 9 seconds. Yeah.
Well, I mean, that says a lot about your driving too. You're probably just like gunning it now, You're like,
yeah.
Your braking point's a little bit later.
I trust my tires, my brakes.
That's awesome. And then the exhaust. You already told us about the exhaust system,
headers.
so that's good. And the header?
It's the DC headers.
Okay.
No. Wait, crap. No, they're the high-end headers. I used to have DC headers.
Okay, so high-end header.
High-end headers.
Okay, cool. And then
The Hasport motor mounts.
nice and stiff. Everything shakes inside.
Yeah.
Well, there's nothing to shake inside, so then that works out. Okay. And so, any future plans that you can think of, like I mentioned, are you good with this? You're satisfied? When is the turbo going in?
No, none of that. No, it's just now anything to just reduce any little weight that we can.
More?
As I mentioned, the windows.
The windows, the sunroof. Okay.
Yeah.
Other than that-
this is just my track car, so I'll remove whatever I can.
Nice. Well, it's a beautiful, beautiful build. Definitely, it's very clean. Shout out to your mechanic and obviously some of the stuff that you do. The engine bay has been resprayed. Was it resprayed at the same time as the interior?
No, no.
So you just been taking things apart and respraying it?
As we're going, yeah. I've been tracking, I want to say, for a year and a half. So yeah, during the whole year and a half, we've been working out in the interior bay. So yeah.
Awesome. All right, Jessica, thank you so much for taking the time. I know it's very early, coming out, sharing your build, sharing your story. Tell us, any shout outs?
Honestly, just for After Hours Garage, they've been there. And any friend who has helped me during any time that I've needed help.
Okay.
I can't think of anybody.
You don't want to start naming names, you're going to forget
yeah.
one person and they're going to get hurt.
Yes, yes.
Shout out to the homies from Valentine's Day because then you ended up going to the track. So, I mean, definitely. So,
The Valentine's Day.
you're like, nah, I don't talk to those fools no more. Let's
I
get
do,
it.
I do.
So, like I said, thank you so much. I know now you're hosting track days. I mean, you're going to be very active on the track. It's so cool to see the fact that you're taking initiative and that leadership to be able to say, I'm going to host. And it's not easy.
It's
I know
not easy. It's stressful.
like herding cats, you know, like they're all over the place. So definitely love the build. Keep at it. Can't wait to see another track event. And thank you again, once again, for your time.
No problem.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
All right, everyone, welcome back to the Motive Anime. Today we have Jessica. Jessica, thank you so much for making the time for us. So tell us, what do you drive?
I drive a 94 Acura Integra.
You gotta like speak up.
Okay. You need to cut it? Okay. I drive a 94 Integra.
I stood quiet on purpose just to mess with you, I'm sorry. All right, here we go. We get into this amazing build. Tell us a little bit about you and how you got started into the whole car modification.
Okay, well, tell you about me? Like,
What?
to tell you about me, like,
Nice. Splitter
splitter,
from...
APR.
I'm asking you.
That's because I always say it backwards.
ARP? Okay. All right, so you can... Okay, 38 after. Cut that. Okay, you know I'm not cutting none of this. This is good. Tire size.
These are, hold on, I just picked these up. Oh, 205. 205, 50, 15. Okay, ask me again.
And the tire size? Oh, fuck. No te rías. I'm trying to like do it so smooth, you know? You know how hard it's gonna be to edit this shit?
It sound right, boys.